Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Don from 1A Auto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And the next time you need a part for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the Downstream O2 sensor on this 2004 Volkswagen Jetta with the 1.8 turbo engine. And it's the same part and process on these Jettas from 99 to 2005. And the items you'll need for this is a new Downstream O2 sensor from 1AAuto.com, 10mm socket and ratchet, O2 sensor tool, flat blade screwdriver, and jack stands. Your Downstream O2 sensor is located right here. And you want to start off by just removing this insulation sleeve from the O2 sensor wire. And it just unbuttons. Now pull the O2 sensor harness from this bracket and then remove these two 10mm nuts. And we'll fast forward as Don does that. Pull the box down and then pull out the harness for the Downstream O2 sensor. And then just push on the tab on the harness and pull it free.
This is a short O2 sensor tool, good for tight spaces like this.
I'm going to slide it onto the wire and up onto the O2 sensor, and then using a 3/8 inch ratchet, just insert it into that square hole. And then you just use the ratchet as you normally would to loosen it up. And you just want to keep using it to loosen it up, and then once you feel it's loose enough for you to remove by hand, you can just twist it out the rest of the way by hand. On the left is the old Downstream O2 sensor, on the right is the new one from 1A Auto. You can see they're identical and they're going to fit exactly the same. Take your new O2 sensor and just twist it into place. And we'll fast forward as Don twists that into place and then tightens it up with that O2 sensor tool. Now rebutton this insulation sleeve around your O2 sensor wires. We'll fast forward as Don finishes that up. Now clip your new O2 sensor wire into that bracket, and if it fell down, just reclip it right up here. Reconnect your Downstream O2 sensor harness and push it into place. Make sure the wires are coming out through the openings on the sides, and then push this box back up into place. And we'll fast forward as Don replaces those two 10mm nuts and tightens them up. And when you're done with that, you're all set.
We hope this video helps you out. Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll-free, 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.